see if I can drag that over real quick. You don't have to necessarily try and bottom tick these charts because you generally have plenty of opportunities. So like when you're waiting for kind of that capitulation low, you're just waiting for kind of a follow through bar. To your point, Joe, like you can catch it on the upside and wait until that momentum turns. And so like if you go back and kind of just pull apart the indices, almost every even V out has had like kind of a capitulation day. Those that have taken advantage of it were obviously not like in the perma bear camp. They had a general bias to the upside based on like larger time frames. So anyway, sorry, I just wanted to throw that in there real quick. That again, if we're talking about the SMH and it's the last to roll, maybe the Qs kind of again, that's what it's going to kind of look like in here if we do bottom here. So it kind of gives you a framework to look and say, okay, let's see if we get some like what is that capitulation going to look like? It's probably going to be a wide range bar or a couple like real long tails or wicks off of probably this range. I was kind of with how weak the market was this morning. I was like, well, shit. I honestly wouldn't even be surprised if we pulled back towards like 630 and undercut the 200-day. But again, it's a wild card week. So to your point, it's not really a market to be, unless you're playing into the short side and you're really, you are bared up. Sure, you can press it because there is things are happening that are confirming price resolving to the downside. We don't have anything, at least here, that is pointing us to say, hey, let's try and bottom tick this right now.